What's up, guys? I'm back with another one. Today's video is going to be quite a bit longer than the other ones that I've done. I'm not going to talk through the whole thing, but there will be key points of talking. Here we're going to start with 2 coats of this color. It's kind of more on the jelly side, but it is buildable. I'm like super obsessed with this color right now. Okay, on this nail, I'm starting off with a blackish, silverish cat eye. I had a plan with this one. I didn't really love the way that it turned out. It was fine, but it just wasn't. I just didn't really care for it. But I used 2 different polishes on this one. It was this cat eye and then a red iridescent non-cat eye polish, and you'll see once it's all finished on this one, but I just didn't care for it. I'm just, again, messing around with the nails. This is what I do generally. I just sit down and just start playing until I figure out what I want to do. Generally, I end up with nails that I like and nails that I don't like. So on this nail, I kept it really simple. Sometimes less is more, and this was absolutely true in this case. This I definitely had a plan with. I was only going to do just this green cat eye on the tip and then a decal in the middle of the nail. And then I decided that I thought it would be pretty if I added the red iridescent non-cat eye on the tip of the nail as well. So I ended up going back and doing that later, which definitely added to the character of the nail as well. And I really like the way that it turned out. I think you guys will like it too. Oh boy. Okay, this nail is absolutely fucking horrible. I hate this nail. I I did so many different things trying to save this nail, and if you watch this video all the way to the end, you'll see. It's bad. It's bad. I hate it. You win some, you lose some. Okay, this is where I'm adding that red iridescent non-cat eye to the tip of that simple second nail. Here we go, back to trying to save this ugly ass nail. Now I'm putting on some gold non-iridescent, trying to save this. Yeah, it's only gonna get uglier from here, folks. I just I have no words. Just hang in there. I just realized I said non-iridescent. I meant non-cat eye. That was my bad. Okay, this one is my absolute favorite one. This is a pinkish, goldish cat eye polish that I'm using. It turned out just stunning. this last nail, I decided to kind of recreate what I did on the first nail, but differently, because I didn't really care for the way that the first nail turned out. So yeah, I just said, fuck that, we're redoing it, and it's gonna look 20 million times better, which it did. So I think I added a different iridescent polish to this. I don't remember off the top of my head, but I think I added a blue and the red, if I remember correctly. But it ended up turning out really cool. It looked really pretty, kind of like fireworks, I think. But yeah, I liked it. I thought it was cool, and I was happy with it. And now we're back to this ugly ass shit again. I don't know why I think I can save this, because I can't. Like, it just keeps getting uglier and uglier and uglier. I just need to stop at this point, but I'm not gonna stop. I'm just gonna keep going, thinking that I really can't save this nail, but I can't. So yeah, I mean, I guess just enjoy, folks. At some point I realized that I had planned on putting decals on 2 of those nails. Alright guys, that's all I got for today. Thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know your thoughts on these nails. I'll catch you all on the flip side. Bye!